Welcome to the API course. If you've ever wondered what an API actually is, you're in the right place. In the next few minutes, you'll learn how APIs work and why they are one of the most important tools in today's digital world. Part 1. What is an API? API, or Application Programming Interface, can be best described as a translator between systems. It allows different applications and services to communicate with each other by exchanging data. It's like ordering food at a restaurant. You tell the waiter what you want, they pass the order to the kitchen, and then bring you the prepared dish. You don't need to know how the chef cooked your meal, you just need to receive it. APIs work the same way, except instead of food, they enable the exchange of information between systems. You use APIs every day without even realizing it. Checking the weather, logging into an app using your Google account, or paying with a credit card at an online store. All of this is possible thanks to APIs. Their purpose is to ensure that various systems work together, saving time and effort for both users and businesses. Imagine a weather app on your phone. When you check the forecast, the app sends a request to a server using a weather API and retrieves the latest data. The same thing happens when you log into an app with your Google account. The app uses Google's API to verify your login information and gain access to your profile. Without APIs, such connections would either be impossible or extremely difficult to achieve. Thanks to APIs, our daily lives are filled with conveniences we often don't even notice. Imagine if every app had to be built entirely from scratch and handle all functions on its own. Sounds absurd, right? That's exactly why APIs are a cornerstone of modern technology. At the end, it's worth mentioning that APIs might sound complicated, but they're really not. In very simple terms, a web API, which we'll be discussing most often, is just a website used by programs instead of people.